So how can you shoot a night video with the iPhone? Well, let's talk about it. If you're new on this channel, make sure you subscribe to Foxtecc so you don't miss tutorials and videos like this one. Okay, so you can of course use the built-in camera app like this, and of course all of the regular features are available, right? So you can change like the exposure and all of that stuff, right? So for night video, you can enable some features, like for example, you can turn on the flash to make it turn on all the time, so you capture, like more light with it. But also a few tips whenever capturing like video at night, it's generally not recommended to record the footage at 60 frames per second, right? Because 60 FPS or these like higher frame rates require more light, which is often not available at night, right? So you can switch it and choose it to be like 30 or even 24. So these are the general tips using the built-in camera app on the iPhone. On the other hand, you can explore some more options, and one of the best ways to capture footage in my opinion, is like using the Final Cut camera application, which is a free app you can download from App Store. It's being developed by Apple. And in there, you get much more control over your video, right? So not only you get to choose whether it's going to be HDR or SDR, you can also just manage things like the exposure manually, right? You can also change the orientation, the white balance, right? You can switch between the lenses, change the focus to be autofocus or a manual one, right? So generally speaking, like these a little bit more like professional apps can provide you with more features, and that way like enhance your performance for night videos or any other type of content that you are going after, right? So let me know what you think about that below. Most definitely subscribe so you don't miss tutorials and videos like this one, and I'll see you later in those upcoming videos.